and today we are going to be making the sick simulator. So basically, what the sick simulator does, it makes you feel sick. As simple as that, it makes you feel sick. It's quite fascinating how to do it though, because it's so weird. I don't know why it works, but it does. So, well, first of all, let's just press A, and then press X to delete, and then click add menu, and then we are going to click on a cube like this. Then what we're going to do, we're going to top view, and then from top view we're going to click on the cube. Make sure you got the cube clicked. We're going to scale this around like here, just like this, yeah, like that, easy peasy. And then we're going to turn on snap scaling up here. You should see it, it's like magnet thing. Turn it on, and then just go out like this far, see, like this. And one problem, of course, it will lag a bit in this video, so if it's lagging, don't worry, it's not your computer. It's just so you know when before the animation runs and we're done, just so you know that, one, you might feel sick, two, it's a bit of a big animation. So what we're going to do, we're going to just scale it down a little bit more because it's too big. We are going to press Shift D, and then what we're going to do, we're going to zoom out a little bit, going to move it here, so it's the same amount of cubes, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, easy as that. And then what we're going to do, we can click on these, and then we're going to press Shift D, R to rotate it, but we're going to click Z so it doesn't in the right axis, and then we're going to click 9T, which will do that, and then we got this, which is great, really great actually. And what we're going to do, we are going to extend these both to the, like, this line here, like here, so it's the exact same. And then we're going to do the exact same with this, like this. Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then we click both of these, and what we're going to do, we're just going to extend this a little bit, close it in, and yeah. You might think it's a bit like a ball pit, but it won't be, trust me. Then we push it up a bit so it's on the proper level, so you can build stuff. Now we're going to click the add menu, plane, and then press S to scale it out to just like here, and then what we're going to do is press here and then scale it to the sides so it fills everything out like this, easy peasy. And we're already a very far step forward. This video won't be crazy long, or like, it'll be like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, not sure, but yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on colors. Well, we're gonna first of all click this button back here, so color mode is activated, so you can actually color stuff. Then we're gonna click cube, new, and then we're going to go on red. So yeah, we're gonna make it red, and red, and red, and red, and nope, this time green. And actually no, not green, blue. That's better. I think that looks nice, yeah. So yeah, well, before you even know what the Sick Simulator is, I gotta show you what it is, okay? So I'm just gonna give you a quick glance through it, okay? Okay, so I'm guessing you've seen the Sick Simulator, and yeah, you might. I hope you feel sick. No, I'm joking. Yeah, it'll make you feel sick if you watch it like 5 times in a row. But I like still calling it the Sick Simulator. So yeah, anyway, what are we gonna do? Well, we are going to turn on like we do basically almost in every video now. Rigid body, active, passive, rigid body, active, passive, rigid body, active, passive. Why do we always do in every video? That's like the one annoying part. But luckily we haven't got that much to click because there's literally like nothing. And the reason we can't join this stuff together is because it won't work how we want it to work. Which of course we want it to work, right? Unless you don't want it to work. You don't want it to work. How dare you? Anyway, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add a mesh. We're gonna go mesh. We're gonna add a UV sphere, and straight away move it up, and straight away scale it down to like this, and straight away flatten it like this, so it's like an M&M. That's what makes the 6 simulator special. I feel like that's the flatness of them makes it special. So what we're gonna do, we are going to gonna give it a bit of color. Click here, put it on green first, Shift D, move it to the side a little, like a bit closer like this, so they're like almost touching each other, and add a press the plus thing here, and then click here to do blue. And then we click here, we just click on the green one, press minus so it deletes it, and yeah. So what we're going to do actually straight away is shade smooth both of these, because then it looks properly like an M&M. Yeah, I think that looks just satisfying, don't you think? And then we're going to add another one, but this time we're not going to do any other colour but yellow. So we're going to give it a yellow colour. And yeah, do whatever. You cannot delete, you have to delete them all. If you press Command Z, it goes back, and so we're going to do add rigid body and just keep it active. So just like this, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Takes 5 seconds. Done. Okay, now rigid body's on. Now we can do it again. I just wanted to check how much you could do, and it seems like you can do more now. Before my computer almost crashed because of it. You have to often play it like once for it to actually work properly, because otherwise it just lags the frick out of it. Okay, Shift D, R, Y, 180, and yeah, so we just press click to enter, and yeah, then we just say move it like this. Just move it up a little bit like this, and then just like put it on top of each other, put it like this a little, doesn't really matter, just so it explodes. And then we click here, do this, and this, and yeah, what we're going to do now, we are going to select everything, Shift D, move it forward like that, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What was I gonna say? Everything I do is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Since this channel is anyway for kids who just want to start Blender, talking about that, anytime if you guys want to get more advanced and stuff, I'm mainly just to start you off. I have lots of different videos. You can take as much time as you want watching my videos. It would really help, because I'm trying to bring up my channel up from the grounds, and yeah. This is my 4th video, I think. Yeah, it's my 4th video. So yeah, I've just started-ish. Well, not just started, but started not long ago. I'm talking about that. So if you've just copied everything, put it on top of each other like this, the animation should work. So first of all, we're gonna click play, so it actually, if you just check if my server is definitely not doing very well at all. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, at least it's jumping out. Okay, at least, whoa, yes, okay, it's lagging. Okay, chill. Oh my god, it's lagging. No, that is not good. It's kind of funny how it's just like slow motion, just whoa. It's just, and as well, with the 250 here, turn that to 100, because that's the only frames we're gonna need it to. And yeah, it's just like this. So yeah, it should work if we change it a little bit. We have to still change it a little bit. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna skip this part because it kind of takes quite long. Okay, we are back, and yeah, it kind of works. It's not what I wanted, but what we're gonna do is, you're probably thinking, it just started working. I'm like, yes, I know, but can't really work if it's not actually working. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete this, and something like this, deselect this, deselect this, and yeah, and just press delete. Sadly, goodbye, friend, like that. Okay, very nice. What we're actually gonna do is we're gonna move a little bit this, and let's say Z15, no 14, whatever. And we're actually just going to click. What I did, funny fact is, how I did it was probably the most easy way you can do it is probably just gonna think that's a terrible idea. It's actually not. It actually works well. It gets what you want. Let's say it's a bit like this. Spamming. It's, yeah, you spam click it, and that is what gives you what I made, basically. Because if you spam it, everything gets mixed like it's like mixing a puree, like literally just mixing a bag of M&Ms, which makes it random, which makes it just better, everything better. Yeah, like that. That's good. That's actually really nice. I like that. So yeah, if you've done that, doesn't really matter. You just spam click the mouse and move around if you have a mouse. It's a bit hard without a mouse. So, oh yeah, one recommendation. You're gonna need a mouse if you want to do Blender. I'm sorry, but you need one. They only cost like £10. Well, I don't know. You just need one. It does not work. Blender is like the crappiest software in the world if you don't have a mouse. You start to hate it. Trust me with that. I have a mouse. That's why you can see clicking. You can hear me clicking the whole time. Clicking. Actually gonna then just collect this, like this, move it up a little. So yeah, like this. Yeah. So let's just click play. Again, yeah, I'm just gonna skip this part of the video because it takes so long for it to actually load. So yeah. Okay, I am back. Hello. As you can see, we did it. So if you've spammed it and you've moved it in a way that it all just explodes, should do that. It should just make that nice explosion. That's satisfying. I find it so satisfying. It's mixed, especially since they're all good mixed. I'd say the M&Ms it's like an M&M heaven. Just hold your mouth open under that basket. You're just like, yummy chocolates. I want to eat it. I can't eat it though because it's non-existence. No. Anyway, yeah. So, we've got what we wanted. That's what I wanted to check. And yeah, we're not done yet. No, we are not. So we're going to go back into the add menu, add a camera. We're going to start like here, let's say, like this. And what we're going to do, we're going to press I, and then we're going to insert location, rotation, and scale. And then we're going to move it like, say, 20 frames, like this, just like 20 here. We're going to, my god, we're going to move it up, but like move it up a bit like this, and then rotate it like this, and like all kinds of crazy stuff. Then press I again, and then do more crazy stuff like this, and then just do you see me rolling, and then just rotate a little bit, like this. Press I, move it forward, and yeah, do the same. And yeah, then just press I, done, forward, crazy move. But actually, you know, if you make it a little bit less as you go along, it makes it better. And then we start end with like this much, like that, and then yeah, that should be nice. We're actually gonna end with it looking down like this, then press I again. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the camera like flips off, as you can see. Yeah, that's great. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna right click on the camera, and we're just gonna, yeah, right click, right click, zoom in, yeah, actually, just skip this part. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip. Anyway, yeah. Hey guys, yeah, we're back, and yeah, you could say the animation is finished, and yeah, it is. So, as you can see, we've got the Eminem Madness, and yeah, I already feel a bit sick after watching this 5 times. Like, I really feel sick. I feel so sick. Yeah, I gotta pause the video. Oh, sick all over my computer. No, I'm joking. I wasn't sick. Okay, I was just joking. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's the video. I like it. I hope you like it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you watched to the end, if you probably got bored after a couple minutes, that's fine. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.